So we finally made it through. We're heading out to the grassy area. Should be pretty good. Oh, the weather has turned up today. It should be an awesome night out. Alright. Let's try and find a spot and set up and eat some food. Oh. Ready, go! Hold on! Oh, there we go. So scary, was it? Big wave. Bye-bye. Emily! G'day guys, now we're down here at the slides, as you can see. We're down here with Trek in Australia. Yeah. Billy. So how long are you here for?
Oh, we're here for 2 weeks. So
yeah. Down at Sandstone.
Yeah, this place is amazing, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty good. They've done a lot of renovations, and with that, I think they've jacked up the prices too.
A little bit, but
yeah.
mini golf's open. That's a winner.
Okay, yeah. You got the swim up bar.
Oh yeah.
What else is there? Oh,
everything. It's
well, you got
so
the
good.
slides and all that are usual there, but yeah, no, it's a pretty good place. But we're down here at the Sandstone Point Hotel grounds where they've got the bonfire night. So it's going to be a bloody hell of a show, I think.
Oh, it's going to be amazing. Eh?
Those bonfires are stacked up massively.
And
so
there's 2 of them.
There is
There's
2 big ones. We're parked ourselves kind of in front, not too close, because I think it's going to put up a bit of heat.
Oh yeah, I reckon it's going to be fire up.
Yeah.
Can't wait, it'll be good.
It will be good, yeah. So if you don't know, check these guys out on Instagram and YouTube. And, well, also check us out too if you have a chance. But yeah, anyway, we're going to go and...
I've got something for you though.
What's that? Oh, gee, woo! We had a stubby cooler that's going on the trip.
That's it.
So yeah, well, we finally got our Y62 a couple of weeks ago, so set that up in a couple of weeks, so it's ready for towing. But yeah,
Hit the road.
yeah, and then hit the road. So well, hit the road January next year.
Nice.
So we've got to clean the house up. Murray condo the shit out of everything, just get rid of lots of things, and then put it in storage and chuck off, I guess.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and then
Nothing like the open road.
that's what I hear. And hopefully we'll see you guys on the road. Because well, you guys are off to Vanuatu soon, aren't you?
Yeah, for 10 nights and 2 weeks.
School excursion.
Yeah, school excursion.
Yeah.
Culture experience.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well, you know, whatever works.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, anyway, thanks for the Butte stubby cooler, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Cheers. All right, see ya. Bye.
As well as the rides and the slides, there were so many cool little stalls to check out.
Hey, Emily.
Keep walking.
You want to keep walking?
Now if you ever head to Sandstone Point Hotel, don't forget to check out the Oyster Shed, which has amazing seafood all year round. As for the bonfire, we scored ourselves a sweet little spot right in front of it, or behind it, depends how you see it. Anyway, it was right in front of the stage as well.
Now, do you think that that would have been loud enough to start off the bonfire? Okay, cool. So,
Not even close.
even close. Do you want them to do another drill first? All right. Do you want to count them down from 3 to 1? Again, don't press the detonator though. Don't. Could you imagine? It would have ruined everything, and you would never be able to come back and do it next year. All right. Get the audience to cheer for it. Get to make some noise for us.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. They are much louder for you. So what's going to happen once we've done this? You can keep my microphone, and you can be the stage host for the rest of the night. Do you reckon you can do that? All right. Are you ready to be warmed up, Sandstone Point, with a bonfire? All right, hand on each side, don't press it. This is the real deal now. This is not a drill. Join me as we count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I reckon that worked. Oh, we're still going. Whoa. Okay, no, this is supposed to happen. We did this episode. You've done it. Now, what you'll be able to see is the bases of the bonfire are now going to light. Okay, so they're going to be lit because you pressed the detonator, and then for the rest of the night, it's going to get bigger and bigger, and we're going to have a good bonfire night at Sandstone Point Hotel. How did that feel?
Awesome.
You enjoy it?
Great.
All right, are you going to go and warm up by the fire? Yeah, now we've done the fun stuff. Just a little bit of announcement. Now we do have our fire going. It's very important that we listen. We've got some incredible workers around here tonight. They've got high-vis jackets on. They are our security team. If they are telling you things like step away from the gate or something like that, please listen to them because they are the bosses. Welcome to Sandstone Point. Look how well you did. They're going up already. Welcome to Sandstone Point Bonfire Night. We'll join you back on the stage very soon with some live music. Thank you, and thank you. Great job, but never start a big fire again unless you're invited to do it, okay?
Alright, so we're here down trying to get some food. Now we're here down at Mother Trucker. Now, I mean, we don't have a huge line, but it looks good. So what do you want to get? Mother Clucker? Well, if you go down to Bill's Burgers, the line is insane down there. We thought we'd take a look, but then we thought, nah, that's a
I
long...
don't really feel like Chipotle either.
Yeah.
Last weekend I got very much.
Yeah.
Very hot this weekend.
It was very hot. Yeah. And the pizza line... Oh, they do have dessert donuts. At the same time? Okay. Oh, split a dessert donut?
Well, you have to split it 4 ways.
Okay, well, we can do. Yep. Alright, it's starting to cool down. That bonfire is quite nice and warm. We're not near it, but it,
I did put my boots on though.
yeah. Well, not too bad, so I think I'm going to be alright. Okay, sign off. Hey buddy, you ready to go on the slide again? Have some fun? Yeah!
Can I go, Mommy? One dog coming?
You want to go on the slide?
Can I go by myself?
Yeah, slide. Alright guys, so we're down here at the fun slide. You know why it's fun? Well, because it says it's fun. So, kids are going to go by themselves. Well, Benji's going to go by himself. Emily's not so much. She's going to go with Mum. I'm going to get my own lane. I'm going to go by myself. And we're going to race each other. Benji, you want to race Daddy? Yeah? Emily, you want to race Dad? Whoa. Yeah. Benji thinks he's going to beat Dad, but I don't know. I've got the weight advantage, so I might win. Alright. Wait. Whoa. Are you ready? No, Ben. Hang on. I gotta sit back. Sit there. Thanks. Are you ready? Go. Come on, yeah. Woo. Told you Dad will win. You gonna go by yourself again? Well, that's cool. Bye, buddy. Bye, Emily. Have fun. Quick. Hey, buddy. Hey, Benj. Wave to the camera. Hey, look.
Put your foot on the pedal and turn the wheel. One way round the track, please. One way round the track, please.
Yeah, we're gonna get Mummy. We're gonna drive.
Round the track, only.
Papa. Been a crazy night. It has been such a good night actually. It is almost 8:30 and the fireworks are about to start. The kids have been given some big soccer balls from Grammy and Granddad.
I got pink and golden.
Pink and golden. Wow. What do you got, buddy? What colour have you got?
Blue
Yep.
and gold, green, pink, purple, red,
Wow, that's pretty cool.
red. That's all.
Yeah. Whew. So we're just waiting here for the fireworks to go off. Should be any minute now. And then, I guess, try and battle the traffic out of here. I mean, it's absolutely packed in here, but so worth it. So glad we bought jackets, jumpers, blankets, jeans. Yeah. Well, let's wait for the big old fireworks to happen.
See you